Class 9th Maths Exercise 13.2. Question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Now, height of a pillar is 3.5 meter. Radius is half of diameter and diameter is 50 centimeter is equals to 25 centimeter. Now convert it into meter by dividing it by 100. So radius is 0.25 meter. Now curved surface area of pillar is 2 pi RH is equals to 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 0.25 into height is 3.5 is equals to 5.5 meter square. Now cost of painting one meter square area is equals to rupees 12.50. So cost of painting (5.5 meter square area) is equals to rupees 12.50 multiplied by 5.5 is equals to rupees 68.75. Therefore, the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar is rupees 68.75. Question number 6. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find its height. Let the height be height of circular cylinder BH. Radius is 0.7 meter given. Curved surface area of cylinder is 4.4 meters square given. Now curved surface area of cylinder is, we know, 2 pi RH is equals to 4.4. Now 2 into, put the value of pi, 22 by 7 into radius is 0.7 into height BH is equals to 4.4. On solving this, we get height is equals to 4.4 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 0.7 is equals to 1 meter. So therefore the height of this cylinder is 1 meter. Question number 7. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It's 10 meter deep. Find its curved surface area and the cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Now inner radius is equals to half of diameter and diameter is 3.5 is equals to 1.75 meter. Height is 10 meter. Now inner curved surface area is equals to 2 pi RH is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 1.75 into height is 10. On solving this, we get inner curved surface area is 110 meters square. Now, cost of plastering 1 meter square area is equals to rupees 40. So, cost of plastering 110 meter square area is equals to rupees 40 into 110 is equals to rupees 4400. Therefore, the cost of plastering the curved surface area of this well is rupees 4400. Next question. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Now height is equals to 28 meter, diameter is 5 centimeter given, so radius is 5 by 2 is equals to 2.5 centimeter. Convert it into meter, 0.025 meter. Now curved surface area of cylindrical pipe is equals to 2 pi RH is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 0.025 into height is 28. On solving this, we get 4.4 meters square. So the area of radiating surface of the system is 4.4 meters square. Next question. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? Now height is 4.5 meter. Radius is equals to half of diameter and diameter is 4.2 is equals to 2.1 meter. Now lateral surface area or curved surface area of tank is equals to 2 pi RH is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.1 into height is 4.5. On solving this, we get lateral surface area is equals to 59.4 meter square. Now total surface area of tank. Total surface area of tank is equals to 2 pi r in brackets r plus h is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.1. Now 2.1 plus 4.5 On solving this, we get total surface area is 87.12 meter square. Let A be the meter square steel sheet be actually used. So A multiply by 1 minus, as 1/12 of the sheet was actually used. So 1 minus 1 by 12 is equals to total surface area 87.12. Now on solving this, we get value of A is equals to 95.04 meter square. So 95.04 meter square steel was actually used while making such a tank.